Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Excuse me. I hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Shiba Inu. Wanted to keep you updated on this. I'm not sure if I'll make another update tomorrow, but at least today I still wanted to give you my thoughts. I mean, yesterday obviously was a very volatile day again. We had a huge move in the afternoon, breaking above 2400 here, going all the way up to that level right here at 2750, which if we zoom out all the way, what you can see, and let me quickly change the colors so it's a little bit better visible, is that we hit the 0.5 fib right here of this entire move down. So in general, hit a strong resistance level. You can also see historically it's a very respected level, right? So it was to be expected we would find some resistance there. But what I think is even more interesting outside of just hitting that resistance is that we actually managed on the daily time frame to break above this level right here at 2400, which is a very similar level to 2800 because it's a massive resistance level here. It's the 382 fib, which in my eyes is stronger and more important than the 0.5 fib. And just in general, getting a daily close above that with the volume and the momentum that Shiba had. I mean, the volume that Dogecoin and Shiba Inu still pull is absolutely crazy. And I would not be surprised that if retail actually comes back, and yesterday we already saw much more searches coming in for meme coins, and mostly Dogecoin and Shiba. I would not be surprised if Shiba goes back up to the all-time high. Like if the markets get very bullish, which is a possibility. It's not certain yet, but it is a possibility. Then Shiba, I think, can rally at least back up to the highs of March, and I think it's giving some solid evidence of that right now to us, because we actually hit like the volume we hit on March very briefly was $16 billion. And right now, for the last day or so, we've been at 6 billion. So we're not there yet, but that's definitely a great start. And like I said, technically, that's a great start as well. But when we're talking about the price right now, yesterday, day before, I was very bullish on Shiba, and I also said that in my videos. But now, what you can see, especially since yesterday evening, is that we've started to lose some momentum here. Now we also had some shorts being opened. That's interesting because what that means is that there is quite a lot of liquidity to the upside here. So if the market gets actually more bullish, which it still is very bullish, we could have some sort of a short squeeze up to the next target, which would be 3,200. All right, so keep that in mind, 3,200, 3,100. So that is a possibility. But what we see right now is that the longs are closing. And we actually had some long liquidations as well. So what we need to see now is first of all, if we look at the 4-hour time frame, given the circumstances right here, which is a massive bullish breakout, but we're losing momentum, given the circumstances, I would say it's most likely we will consolidate a bit here on top of this level right here between 2450 and 2350. I don't expect, except for if Bitcoin crashes for whatever reason, I don't expect that level to fail to hold. It's too strong in my eyes, given these market circumstances, to fail to hold. But what we're more interested in is, can Shiba actually pump again? And at the moment, I would say no. But the main thing you need to watch for that is the open interest. All right, we actually, if we actually see the open interest increase again, and we got some fresh longs opening, and I will try to keep you updated on this, but you can keep an eye on it yourself as well. That's much better because you'll see it earlier. But if we actually see an increase right here, if we see the open interest bottom out, and we see an increase coming in of long orders, so that the CVD is also positive, then with all the liquidity to the upsides and these market circumstances, I think we can, like in one candle, we can get all the way up to 3,150. So be prepared for that. Right now, there's no indication yet we're doing this, but if we actually see an increase in volume, in buying pressure again, in open interest, then this is going to happen. And I would say it's most likely that this will happen eventually. But I'll keep you updated on that. Like I said, if you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.